I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 1st to May the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylaan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi po kayo makasali dun sa live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So, Aries, madami tayong pag-uusapan. Medyo straightforward yung cards na gagamitin natin ngayon. Medyo may pagka-maldita, no? Prangka ang ating cards na gagamitin ngayon. So, real talkan tayo, no? Marami tayong pag-uusapan. Financial and wealth, career, or your job. Sa mga, of course, karamihan na natin ito relationships, no, nandiyan yung mga singles, crushes, no labels or situationship. Nandiyan din po yung mga in a relationship, a married couple, third party, yan kung mga madadaanan natin at magpapakita siya, no? And kung nandito din po yung mga in separations, no? So, magsimula na tayo. So, your first card is get the fuck outside and move your ass. So, ibig sabihin, para kasing medyo tinatamad tayong magkikikilos. May hinahanap dito yung ating, actually, tinatawag na tayo ng ating katawan. There's something wrong with us. It could be, minsan tinatamad tayong yung mga usual na ginagawa natin, hindi na natin ginagawa. Chances are, siguro we are depressed, no? Also stressed with things, siguro. Dahil may mga bagay na nangyayari na parang hindi naman natin ginugusto or meron tayong gustong mangyari, subalit parang hindi naman nangyayari based doon sa ating time frame, no? Na binigay sa ating sarili. With the 9 of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the 10 of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko dito, medyo yung energy is parang we're actually looking for a specific solutions, no? Dito sa mga pinagdadaanan natin, whether it is financial, health-wise, of course, siguro nandito tayo, nakababa tayo sa phones, no? Or nagre-research tayo. Well, it might be a bit of an excuse, pero tama din naman. Meron tayong mga ginagawa yung siguro partly sabihin natin nagre-research tayo, pero partly ginagawa natin siyang excuse para hindi natin magawa yung mga usual. So, I think that meron ding effect ito sa ating mental health, if I may say, dahil medyo feeling mo nanlalata tayo. It could also be the weather, no? Dahil sa sobrang init, sino ba naman ang gustong mababad sa init, no? Pero I think umulan na the first time, no? Nung kahapon, yeah. When it comes to finances, I feel like meron tayong tinitignan, same, ganun yung energy. Titingin ako ng solutions or pwede kong gawin, no? When it comes to my finances, it could be looking for a new business, whether inspiring myself, no, for a new business venture. Um, I am probably thinking of jumping off to a new career. Yung iba sa inyo siguro nag-iisip more of magtrabaho ko sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, lumipad na ako ng work. Ganun yun din sa mga careers and job. So nakakakita ko that you are probably looking for a new opportunity kasi mahirap na itong nangyayaring situation as of the moment. For those singles, ang nakikita natin, medyo parang feeling mo, no, kailangan ko nang mag-make ng move dahil medyo na-stuck ako sa pagiging single. Ano bang meron sa akin? You're probably checking yourself out in the mirror kasi nasabi mo, anong mali? Okay naman ako, di ba? Nahihirapan, ako ba yung choosy? Masyado ba akong malakas, no? Yung aura ko, yung energy ko pagdating sa ibang tao? I feel like kini-question mo na yung sarili mo kasi medyo matagal-tagal na. When it comes to crushes and no labels, I feel like nahihirapan tayo i-move forward itong situationship natin dito sa ating person because of I think na complacency, or it could be siguro nararamdaman ninyo na yung does my person truly likes me? Meron ba nga siyang interest sa akin? Ang hirap-hirap ba sa akin, no, nung kanyang mga moves? For in a relationship or married couple rather, parang ngayon medyo either mahirap pasunurin si person, mahirap siyang kausapin, ang hirap ispelengin, no, nitong mga ginagawa niya. Or nung mga, bakit parang feeling mo you're being set aside, hindi tayo napapansin masyado. And that's probably where the tampo kicks in. Siguro we're depriving ourselves or isolating ourselves, no? To see them, kasi nga ayaw mo siyang makausap, baka kung ano masabi mo. No? Third party situation, I feel like nahihirapan tayong i-move forward itong relationship natin. We're probably also checking our person's social media accounts. Meron ba siyang pagkausap niya pa ba, no? Itong either kung ikaw yung original, kausap niya pa ba yung kanyang third party, kung ikaw yung third party, okay, kinakausap niya ba itong kanyang original, no? For magkakaayos ba sila? So you're probably having this fear deep inside. In separations, parang ano na lang kayo siguro parang sa mga social medias na lang ang inyong, I think kung meron ng usapan dito, very minimal, no? Kamusta na, okay lang, or yung parang yes or no na sagot. For a few numbers of you, hindi talaga nag-uusap, and then what I am seeing in here, medyo gusto ko lang makakuha ng information, and dun lang ako sa social media what do you mean by that? Kumbaga dun lang ako, kaya ko yan. Dun lang ako naka-base, no? Yun lang yung parang source ko to have information with my person. Ayan. Separations, yeah, yun nga. With the Two of Swords, definitely there's separations between you and this energy. The reason why I am saying this is an energy, because it might be an event, it might be an abundance, it might be a person, it might be an experience. The Two of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, and the Six of Pentacles. So parang feeling ko merong pagganti dito. The reason why I'm saying medyo may pagganti, dahil parang medyo hindi ka nga, parang feeling mo siya nauna. So, binibigay ko lang yung same energy kung ano yung binigay niya. So, chances are, nandito tayo sa situation na kung ayaw mo akong kausapin, edi wag mo. Kung ayaw mo akong pansinin, edi wag mo. When it comes to the finances and wealth, iba yung istorya nito, finances and wealth, parang hindi natin na-foresee na merong blockage or merong pause sa ating abundance, no? Or probably meron tayong ina-expect and then medyo na-postpone. Ngayon, medyo hinahanapan natin siya ng solusyon. How can I recover? Kasi nagalaw ko na, no? Itong aking savings, or nagalaw ko itong hindi ko inaasahan, no? Pwede nagalaw ko yung pera ng iba. With the career and job I am seeing in here, medyo nahihirapan tayo makasama itong mga makasalamuha. Mahirap nating maka-vibe, no, itong mga kasama natin sa trabaho. And it felt like medyo gumaganti tayo sa mga situation na, bitch ka sa akin ha, so bitch din ako sa'yo, or kupal ka sa akin, so kupal din ako sa'yo, no? When it comes to relationship, it felt like you are giving the same dose of their own medicine, ika nga. So parang sinabi mo dito, ikaw itong nagsimula, ikaw nag-tantrums, no? Nung ginawa ko sa'yo, yung ginawa mo sa akin, ayun, no, na ikaw ang nainis, ikaw ang nagalit. So, bakit pag ikaw ang gagawa, okay lang? Pag ako, ginawa ko sa'yo, naramdaman mo yung feeling ko, hindi okay. Tapos magta-tantrums ka, no? Singles, crushes, and no-label situation, I feel like, sabihin natin, we're giving before, no? We're delivering, we are serving, we are very generous, but lately, medyo dinideprive natin sila with our energy. Kasi nga parang feeling mo hindi ito nag-move forward, no? In a relationship and married couple, meron talaga ditong ines. I feel like palagi lang tayo nasa kwarto, no? Or kung hindi naman kayo magkasama sa bahay, I feel like intentional yung hindi nyo pagsagot ng mga phone calls, hindi nyo pagsagot ng kanilang mga text. So, with the Six of Pentacles in here, baka naman din ginantihan kayo. No, chances are. There's something here about revenge. So, ginawa nung una, baka kayo naman itong nauna. No? You can interchange the roles because, again, the roles may, what I'm reading is the dynamics. With regard to the third party situation, parang hindi mo na kita kakausapin hanggat hindi mo pinapakawalan yung kabila, no? Separations or in a separated relationship, iba kasi to pag separated relationship kasi ayokong mauna, no? Or ayokong mag-initiate ng move kasi probably because of pride. But chances are I am waiting, no? For you to initiate, dun lang ako magre-respond. So, it could be an ego, no? Na nakikita natin. Let's get results or message from the universe, or probably results first and then message from the universe with regard to this situation. The Five of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Three of Pentacles. Ang ganda dahil nakakita ko dito na someone is going to parang ibababa yung pride, someone is going to find a solution. It doesn't matter kung sino na ang nauna, kung sino na ang sabihin natin. I feel like just because of what's happening, there might be some issues in here na i-resolve na lang, na wala na tayong turuan, no? And I also feels like meron din dito mga bagay-bagay na sabihin natin hindi papalagpasin ko na lang, at least for now. Ang importante sa akin is magkaayos, no? When it comes to finances and wealth, I feel like iiwan natin yung mga bagay na katulad nung sinabi ko kanina, medyo nakagastos tayo ng medyo hindi natin sinasadya. I think that we also learned from our experience, and I feel like you will charge this to your to the experience, and you're not going to do this in the future na para sabihin na siguro aantayin ko na lang yung perang para sa akin prior, siguro ko gagalawin, no? When it comes to career and jobs, I feel like you're going to make a decision of leaving something. It could be an energy, it could be a person, for your own peace, for your own abundance. So I feel like etong mga nararamdaman mo ngayon, I think that this is more of anxiety or depression, if I may say. So there's actually a mental health issue that might probably kick in, no? With regard to this, for singles, crushes, no label situation, I feel like bigla itong maayos din naman because of the Hierophant. Parang siguro makakaisip tayo na or yung person natin, it's probably a waste of time with regard to this silence dahil hindi ito nakakatulong sa akin at hindi rin naman ito nakakatulong sa relasyon namin, no? So might as well ayusin ko na lang. Might as well for now, no? Hindi ko na lang papansinin. Probably it's much better for us to have a connection rather than the silence. I think that this is also what's going to happen in a relationship, married, third party, or even doon sa in a separations. So I feel like pagkakasundo is there. So let's get some message from the universe. Aries, message from the universe for May the 1st to May the 7th. Where you are right now is where you are supposed to be. Don't compare yourself to others. That only adds pressure. So I feel like doon sa mga merong issues when it comes to work, I feel like hindi naman ito inggit. Pero I feel like medyo nako-compare mo yung sarili mo dahil doon sa progress ng iba. And parang sinasabi dito, may kanya-kanya kasi kayong past, no? Meron kang sarili mong past, meron kang sarili mong pinagdaanan. And I think it's much better to focus on your own business, on your own growth, rather than tracking someone else's growth, no? When it comes to finances, I feel like medyo sumablay din tayo dito. It is because of siguro, no, merong usong, whether it is sa kapitbahay niyo nakita, sa katrabaho, sa kaklase, sa kaibigan ninyo. Probably you also want that specific item, no, na siguro nabili ninyo. And I feel like this, again, will be charged to experience. Take each day as it comes. And for what it is, you are a better person than you were yesterday. And like what I mentioned, I feel like doon sa mga may relationship issues, maturity is kicking in dahil nakakakita nga ako dito na instead of palakihin, no, ayusin na lang, and someone might going to feel na it is much better, no, to probably have a conversation and fix this over a conversation than creating a silent treatment. Ayan. Growth isn't easy, but you've got this. So I feel like that the growth is not just going to happen for you, but also for your person. And I feel like ito yung sinasabi ng universe na you are a human. No? Meron tayong mga mistakes, but what is important is the learnings. Ayan. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live. So, kung hindi nyo po na maabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? For your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Leo. Ayan, again, it could be their sun sign or a placement, no? Doon sa kanilang chart. So this is your reading, Aries. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. And know that you are appreciated. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just